National Anthem. Our national anthem Jan Gan Man was written by Rabindranath Tagore. The song had 5 stanzas, but the first one was chosen to be our national anthem. The anthem is also a symbol of unity. We sing it on important occasions like Independence Day. As a mark of respect, we must stand at attention whenever the anthem is being sung. Children, our national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. So here is his picture. You can see it is Rabindranath Tagore, and the song had 5 stanzas. The song national anthem, which we know as our national anthem, it was the song of 5 stanzas. Means आज जितने स्टैंजा पढ़ते हो ना 52 मिनट्स में 52 सेकंड्स में, तो वैसे और 5 स्टैंजास थे उस सॉन्ग में जो विच वॉज रिटन बाय रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर. ऐसे 5 स्टैंजास थे जो उनके द्वारा लिखे गए सॉन्ग में थे. कैसे? जितने लाइन्स हम पढ़ते हैं अपने नेशनल एंथम के रूप में, उतने ही और 4 स्टैंजास थी. तो ऊपर वाला जो था, द फर्स्ट वन वॉज चूजन टू बी आर नेशनल एंथम. यानी उस लंबे चौड़े सॉन्ग का जो पहला स्टैंजा था, इट वॉज टेकन एज नेशनल एंथम. मीन्स जो सॉन्ग हम जहाँ पे फिनिश करते हैं ना, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे, तो ये सॉन्ग इसके बाद भी कंटिन्यू है. अभी इसमें 4 स्टैंजास और हैं, बट ऊपर वाला जो था उससे आपका नेशनल एंथम बनाया गया. ठीक है. और द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज, ये किसके द्वारा लिखा गया था? तो इट वॉज रिटन बाय रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर. ठीक है. एंड द एंथम इज ऑल्सो अ सिंबल ऑफ यूनिटी, एंड यू कैन से दैट दिस नेशनल एंथम इज ऑल्सो अ सिंबल ऑफ यूनिटी फॉर आवर कंट्री. इट शोज द यूनिटी ऑफ द कंट्री, द यूनिटी ऑफ द रिलीजन. मीन्स सबकी एकता को दिखाता है, सबकी एकता को शो करता है. क्या? ये नेशनल एंथम. क्यों? क्योंकि देयर आर सेम रूल फॉर एवरीवन while national anthem is being sung. If we are singing, anyone is singing national anthem, the rule for everyone is same. सबको खड़े होना है, सबको अटेंशन में खड़े होना है, किसी को मूव नहीं करना है. इसके बाद आपको सॉन्ग को या तो गाना है, या आपको नहीं गाने का मन है तो आपको ध्यान से सुनना है. और ऐसा करके यू शो योर रेस्पेक्ट टू आवर नेशनल एंथम. आप अपने नेशनल एंथम को रिस्पेक्ट कैसे शो करोगे? यू हैव टू बी इन अटेंशन, स्टैंड एट अटेंशन whenever national anthem is being sung. So like this you can show your respect to the anthem. So if someone is asking to you what national anthem represent to you, then you can say that it is a symbol of unity. ठीक है. Okay, now moving on to the another topic, national emblem. So what are these national emblem? When you look at a rupee, what do you notice? The symbol with lions. Well, this is our national emblem. We find it on all currency notes, coins and papers of the government. It is the official seal of the government. It was taken from the Sarnath lion capital erected by Ashoka. It was adopted as the national emblem of India on 26 January 1950, the day India became a republic. Forming an integral part of the emblem is the motto inscribed below is Devanagari script, Satyamev Jayate, truth alone triumphs. So we have a national emblem named Satyamev Jayate, and the motto of the national emblem is Satyamev Jayate, and it is a picture of a lion, and it was taken from Sarnath lion capital erected by Ashoka. So you can say that our national emblem is with lions and its motto is Satyamev Jayate. In English, truth alone triumphs. So the emblem is printed on all currency notes, coins and papers of the government. It is the official seal of the government. Emblem का क्या काम है? ये केवल करेंसी नोट्स और कॉइन्स के ऊपर ही नहीं है, बट ये गवर्नमेंट का ऑफिशियल सील भी है, इंडियन गवर्नमेंट का. ठीक है, तो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस कि व्हाट इज द एम्ब्लेम ऑफ इंडियन गवर्नमेंट सील. Then it's a national emblem which is with lion and its motto Satyamev Jayate, and Satyamev Jayate is written in Devanagari script. जो ये हिंदी लिखते हैं ना आप, हिंदी को देवनागरी स्क्रिप्ट लिपि में लिखा जाता है. So it is like that. And when it was adopted, so it was adopted, the emblem and its motto was adopted on 26th January 1950, when you celebrate your Republic Day and when India became a republic country. From that day, and on that day, 26 January 1950, it was taken as a national emblem. We have other symbols also. And what are these? National song. We have a national song. So what is the national song of India? It's Vande Mataram. It was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So Jana Gana Mana was composed by Rabindranath Tagore and Vande Mataram was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. आप ऐसे याद रखोगे, व से वंदे मातरम और ब से बंकिम, इन दोनों का नेम व से ही शुरू होता है. ठीक है, एक का व से एक का ब से. तो आप ऐसे इसको याद रखोगे कि बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी कंपोज्ड National Song of India Vande Mataram, and Jana Gana Mana was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. So did you know Vande Mataram was sung by Tagore in 1896 during the session of the Indian National Congress. So by Rabindranath Tagore, This national song was sung in 1896 during the session of Indian National Congress. बेटा इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस वॉज अ पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया. ये क्या थी, जैसे आज कई सारी पार्टियां ना, वैसे उस टाइम पे देश में एक पार्टी थी इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस. तो उस पार्टी में 1896 में वंदे मातरम सॉन्ग रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर ने गाया था. Okay, now you can see that national flower. You should remember this, that our national flower is lotus, Indian lotus. National fruit, mango. National animal, tiger. National river, Ganga. National tree, Indian banyan. National bird, Indian peacock. National currency, Indian rupee. And what is the main thing about this Indian rupee? R. R was designed by Uday Kumar Dharmalingam. So the symbol of rupee was designed by Uday Kumar Dharmalingam. You have to learn this. So national flower, Indian lotus. National fruit, mango. National animal, tiger. National river, Ganga. National tree, Indian banyan. National bird, Indian peacock. National currency, Indian rupee. R. This is like that. We should be proud of all these symbols and respect them. They show that India is a big and beautiful country. They make us feel proud to be Indians. They bring unity in diversity. They bring unity in diversity. So some children were asking that, what is diversity? So please listen carefully. Children, please listen carefully. Diversity is when you can see that in your country there are many people of here, many people from different religion and caste are living. Some of them are poor, some of them are very rich, but with all these diversity, we have a unity. We have different caste, different religion, different areas, different reason, different culture, different rituals, different environment, different weather, but also we follow same rule which is for everyone who are living in our country. The rule and regulations are same for everyone. If whether you are living in any corner of the country, the rules and regulations are always same for all of us. So that is why this is called diversity. क्योंकि यहाँ पे अनेक धर्मों के लोग रहते हैं, अलग अलग कोनों में अलग अलग रिचुअल्स कस्टम फॉलो करते हैं, तब भी उनको एक ही रूल, एक ही गवर्नमेंट, एक ही कंट्री के लिए रेस्पेक्ट, कंट्री का रेस्पेक्ट करना होता है, उनके लिए ऑनर दिखाना होता है. और इतना सब कुछ होने के बाद, डिफरेंस होने के बाद भी हर एक इंडियन के लिए सारे रूल्स सेम हैं. ठीक है, किसी के लिए कोई भी रूल अलग से नहीं है. सो दैट इज़ वाई वी कॉल दैट वी हैव यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी, हम बहुत अलग हैं फिर भी हम एक हैं. ओके, कीवर्ड्स. चक्र मीन्स wheel, stanzas means group lines in a poem. Currency, the money that a country uses. Devanagari, Indian alphabet. Yes children, Devanagari is an Indian alphabet. And things to remember, the common symbols followed by the whole country are called national symbols. The national flag, national anthem, national emblem are the main symbols of our country. The national flag is also called Tiranga. Jan Gan Man has been written by Rabindranath Tagore. The national emblem has 4 lions standing on a wheel with a horse and a bull on either side. So children, you can see that this chapter is very much interesting and as well as knowledgeable. And here there are many things which you should remember, you should learn. This is very much important for your upcoming life. Alright, so please learn all these symbols, emblem and every main topic of this chapter. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.